Your neighborhood Do It Best store is your first and best choice for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. When it comes to barn door hardware kits, there's like no end to the choices, but I'm telling you, National Hardware is a manufacturer you need to pay attention to. Richard, why National Hardware when it comes to barn door hardware?
Well, it's interesting. This is a category we got into about 8 or 9 years ago. Best new product launch we've ever had. Has been very popular in the consumer market.
You've relaunched things with new finishes. Talk to us about this.
So everything changes. Designs and fashions change. Likewise in the hardware industry. And so there are some newer finishes that have come out that are very hot in new homes and remodeling. And we just decided we needed to follow those trends because that's where people are going.
And what do we see here?
So right now we've added matte black as well as brushed gold. And we've got a complete complement of accessories that will match up with all that, so you can just make a beautiful set.
If I'm new to this whole thing, how do I choose? You've got several kits here. How do I make the right choice?
I would say the main driving factor is going to be the weight of your door. So the entry-level kit will do a 150-pound door. The mid-range kits are going to do 200-pound door, and the premium kits will do a 400-pound door. So if you're doing a solid core door, that's going to be the direction you want to go.
All right, and I could try this one right here,
Yes,
right?
you can. That's a real working model, exactly what they'd be putting up at home.
Man, that feels smooth. How long is this going to last in my house?
Well, we've tested them to 100,000 open and close cycles. That'll be about 20 to 22 years in an average home.
I'll take that. Goodness sakes. They look amazing. Is this an easy job if I'm not overly handy?
It is. We actually have very simple installation directions. We hired writers to do that for us because we're too familiar with it. So the average person that's never done this before will be able to step up and do this very easily.
That's awesome. Well, the kits look great. I love that they've got great installations, instructions. You've got choices, amazing finishes. That's available from National Hardware, and you'll find it at your neighborhood Do It Best. Do It Best is your first and best choice in home improvement with thousands of products available. Check them out today.